Ah, yes, the Ford Escape, America's favorite compact SUV. And by favorite, I mean the one everyone bought so they could escape. Responsibility. But now, it's dead, and dealers are madder than a Prius owner stuck behind. Another Prius doing 23 in a 25. And Merry Christmas to everyone watching, except the guy doing 23 in a 25. You know who you are. Ford Escape was the every person crossover, like that friend who never throws parties, but is always invited. First introduced in 2001, nearly 25 years on the road like a mid-tier sitcom that never gets cancelled. Until now. It quietly rolled off the line in Kentucky in December 2025, like someone sneaking out of a party at 3 a.m. so Aunt Mildred doesn't notice. Dealers are out here acting like Ford just canceled Christmas and told them to sell used Yugo manuals instead. They're saying things like, if you lose that entry level buyer, you lose a generation of buyers. We need affordability. Where's the RAV4 when we need it? Okay, that last one was Reddit. Basically, dealers feel like someone took their favorite snack out of the vending machine and replaced it with a spreadsheet. Ford says, don't worry, we've got the Bronco Sport and the Maverick to fill the gap, which is kind of like saying, don't worry, we've got a surfboard and a canoe to replace your minivan. Sure, good luck explaining that to someone with a kid, groceries, and no paddle. But the real reason is this: electrification, EV future, new platform, yada 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 to petrol heads. Ford is retooling the Escape's Kentucky plant to make a brand new electric vehicle, a pickup truck, aiming for 2027. So instead of selling affordable SUVs today, Ford is investing billions to build something affordable in 2 years. That's not a business plan. That's a midlife crisis. Here's the real twist. The very buyers who could have bought Escapes, usually budget minded folks, are now being told to look at Maverick, which is a small pickup, Bronco Sport, which is kind of cool, I guess, a future EV truck, if they like waiting. That's like telling someone who wants a sandwich to try your future gourmet cafe. Now let's stir the pot. Do you think Ford should have just kept the Escape alive forever? Is the Bronco Sport really the replacement? Or just a more expensive sibling? Would you buy an electric pickup before a compact SUV? Tell us what Escape means to you. And no, breaking up with your ex doesn't count. Drop your hot takes in the comments. The weirder the opinion, the better. So, yes, Ford killed the Escape. No, dealers are not okay. And yes, this might be the most dramatic SUV funeral since the Pontiac Aztek left the world. But hey, at least we'll have electric pickup trucks someday, right? Right?